my name's Sarah and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I know I kind of look a bit strange. I have just recently got out of the shower and I exfoliated everywhere and moisturised everywhere, and I'm going to be trying this. I've not tanned in a while and I'm very strange when it comes to tanning because I have a lot of stretch marks and I have very thin skin, so I'm covered in like veins and I bruise so easily, so I'm covered in bruises. I like putting some fake tan on to get my body out to then tan. So yeah, that's if a question people are saying, why are you fake tanning when it's already dead sunny outside? That's why. Where I used to get my original tanning products, they've stopped doing them, so I've decided to try something new, and I went shopping the other week in B&M and saw this and thought, I'll do it, I'll try it, but I'll show you guys what it's like, because it only cost me like £2, £2.99 from B&M, and yeah, I thought it's like a bargain. They had different ones. They had a mousse, they had like a spray like this one, but the mousse was only in very dark and I'm quite pale, so I thought that's probably a no. So I decided to get this spray one in medium. It says here that it's streak free, so let's see what that's like. Exfoliate skin, done that. Not going to tan, so I don't need to remove that. Moisturise dry area of the skin, done that. Wear gloves, use a tanning applicator to avoid coloured palms. Yes, I'll be wearing gloves. I have misplaced my tanning applicator, so I'm going to just do it with my gloves. Shake. Right, wash hands immediately after use. Wait 4 to 6 hours for tan to develop. Then shower to remove instant guide colour, and you're good to glow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this on, obviously not in front of you guys because yeah, I'm bearing it all on camera. And then what I'll probably do is in a couple of hours, because at the minute it is, it is about 8:30, 9 o'clock. So just before I go to bed, I'll come on and show you what it's like, and in the morning, because I'm going to leave it overnight because that's what I've always done, just so much easier. But I like to not put it on go to bed because you know it doesn't properly dry. I go to bed when it's dried. Yes, and then as soon as I get up in the morning, I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm going to probably look like an Oompa Loompa, and then I'll show you what it's like after I've nipped in the shower again to wipe off the excess of it. But I thought, if I can get a brilliant tan for just £2.99, and I mean, last time I had a bottle that's smaller than this and that lasted me 2. So I'd say this is going to last me at least 3 to 4, depending on how much I actually need. But I'm thinking that's going to be great. So yeah, I thought I'd come on and show you guys how amazing this is. Like I said, it's from B&M and I think it was only £2.99. But if you want to get it darker, you can get it darker. There's loads of different shades, but I thought, I mean, if I go to get a normal spray tan from like the salon, it costs me like 27 quid. And these kind of take the mick out of Saint Tropez, I suppose. Saint Moritz, you know, I'm gonna give it a go, as long as I don't look too like horrible in the morning, because I don't want to do a school run looking like an Oompa Loompa. And then I've got a guy coming to fix our bath. I'm not wearing any makeup now, obviously, and I'm not going to be wearing any makeup when I show you the results in the morning after I've just stopped out the shower, just because sometimes makeup can cover things and I'd rather not. I'd rather just bear it and show you what it's like before and after, and obviously now I'm very pale. But yes, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe. Please don't forget to press that notification bell to be notified of all my future videos. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that this works and I don't turn out like an Oompa Loompa. So it is currently about 10:30, so think. So I'm going to be going to bed. My hair's still wet. Never dries and I'll stick it up. But yeah, I'm liking the colour. I'm pretty dark face, but I'm liking the colour. I mean, my tummy, my legs, I'm liking the colour. If any of you guys know any tips on feet, please let me know, because I am really bad at tanning feet. I mean, they don't look that bad, because I made sure that it's literally as soon as I did it, I went in the shower and like scrubbed my feet, you know, as well as washing my hands. But yeah, my feet just always turn out black. But yeah, so far I'm liking the colour, but it's meant to be a buildable one, so even if I wash it off and I end up being this colour, I am happy with that. It smells nice, it smells okay, and it does smell like fake tan, like all of the fake tans I know. The only thing that was kind of strange, but you had to proper shake the bottle. If you didn't properly shake the bottle, it kind of come out in spurts, so you kind of like, you kind of ended up with like dark blobs everywhere. But if you properly shook it and sprayed it, you couldn't really see anything. And what I quite liked about it is, I've got a big, no, it's just a shadow. If we've just got a major like a brown bit there. Yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, if you shook it and then sprayed it, when I sprayed my hands, because I just kind of like, I did it really far away, so I didn't want to like rub that in, and I literally sat there and I just watched it soaking in. So it's really good, and I'm still slightly sticky, but I'm dry. I've left it for a couple of hours, and I'm sure it's not 10 o'clock. Feels later. Don't want my Fitbit. 11:15. But yeah, I didn't want to like put a bra on it because I didn't want to make myself out any straps or anything, so I thought just kind of like put a normal strappy top on. Hopefully that didn't leave strap marks, but so far so good. It was kind of, the colour of it was kind of strange. Usually when you spray, it comes out like dark, obviously, but then when you rub it in, it looks like more orangey dark. But kind of like, is it taupe colour? It's kind of like a greeny brown, and I was like, that looks kind of horrible. But see, I don't look green. So yeah, so far so good. Like I said, I'll just nip into the shower tomorrow just to rub the excess of it off, because there is little bits of the excess, like you can't really see on camera. There's a little bit there on my arm, look. It is kind of going, it looked like excess, because now and again you kind of, even though I did exfoliate, you kind of get the little flaky bits of it. Yeah, I'm kind of liking this powder. And yes, thumbs up so far. We'll see what it's like in the morning, and hopefully I don't look too dark. Good morning. So this is the tan so far. Just need to nip in the shower, and yeah, but I'll show you my feet. Don't mind that way. See what I mean? You can never really tan them at all. Yeah, I'm going to nip in the shower and rub it off. I think I'm going to exfoliate my feet to see if I can get that done. So far so good. There's not really any streaks on me whatsoever. So I'm sure when I wash it off I'll be fine. Yes, I'll be back in a second when I'm all showered and yes, got all the excess off. So this is the tan in front of natural light. I'm just stood in front of my window. I really like it, and not a lot has come off, and I'm so glad I got a medium because I think it's quite dark. The can was nice. I felt like I used quite a bit of the spray, but the can's, it's still full, so I think I can get more uses out of it than 3 or 4. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't get any darker. You want some juice? I'm glad I didn't get it any darker. One good thing about it as well is the can is actually 360. So even though I can hold it upside down and hold it in any position, it's still sprayed out. Like I was saying yesterday, that you do have to shake it a lot so it doesn't like spurt out in little bits, so it sprays out more evenly. But no, I like it. It's kind of like a natural, but it's not too dark, I don't think. Thanks, Phoebe. Yeah, it's not too dark, but I'm going to pop some makeup on now anyway and get these guys to school. So this is my makeup all done. Yeah, all in all, I really liked it. Unfortunately today it is warm, but it's not warm, so I can't wear my shorts. So I'm just wearing off the shoulder top instead. It's very, very windy today, so even though the humidity is fairly high, it's way too the wind is way too cold to wear shorts and things. So I thought, just wear my jeans and a nice little off the shoulder. Good girl. So yes, all in all, I really, really liked it. What I'll do as well is I'll insert a picture of me pretty much standing here with makeup on, so you can see the difference like of me, because obviously at the minute I don't look dead dark, dead tanned, and I don't look dead pale. I'm like in between. Obviously this is quite dark for me because I'm pretty pale, but yeah, I'll insert a picture so you can see the comparison. Please just give this video a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe and don't forget to press that notification bell to be notified of all my future videos. And I hope you have an amazing rest of the day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.